The investment consists of 2 transmission corridors that reinforce the national network. The first is the 400 kV Lessos Loosuk line traversing Samburu, Baringo, Nandi, and Elgeyo Marakwet, with substations at Loosuk and Lessos. This project introduces an alternative route for evacuating wind power from Lake Turkana, strengthening systems stability through the sectioning of the 430-kilometer Loyangulani-Suswa line, and establishes a reinforced 400 kV loop within the national grid. It also enables the evacuation of geothermal power from the Baringo, Paka, Silale resource zone. The second is the 220 kV Kibos, Kakamega, Musaga line serving Kisumu, Vihiga, and Kakamega, with substations at Kibos, Kakamega, and Musaga. It introduces a high voltage supply into Kakamega, improves regional network adequacy, and reduces technical losses and load shedding in Western Kenya.
As a PS for Energy, I want to assure our partners that the ministry will see to it that there is a clear framework for number one, timely administrative approvals and well-leave acquisition, coordination with the county governments and local communities to ensure smooth implementation, monitoring and reporting mechanism to guarantee that the project stays within the scope, timelines, and technical specifications. We are committed to reducing bureaucratic delays and ensuring seamless execution once construction begins.
PPP are long time in nature. Preparations take a long time. As you've heard, for this particular transmission, it started way back in 2019. And you can tell we are only closing out on signing of the project agreement. We still have 12 months to go for us to reach financial closure, meaning that they've attained all the financing required for them to start the actual construction.
The signing of this public-private partnership agreement with African 50 and Power Grid of India reflects a strong commitment to innovate financing solutions in infrastructure delivery. This project is valued at USD 311 million, which is equivalent to almost 40.4 billion Kenya shillings, and is 100% financed by the private sector.
The launch of this project marks the continent's inaugural independent power transmission, a milestone grounded in international best practices and fair and transparent procurement.
We are committed to sharing best practices in transmission planning, power system studies, grid automation, digital substations, protection systems, real-time system operation, and modern asset management with KETRACO and local professionals. Building local capability is essential for long-term sustainability.
Africa is ready for innovative partnerships to deliver sustainable infrastructure. The African Development Bank looks forward to working closely with Africa 50 and Power Grid to achieve successful completion financial close of the project in 2026, and to ensure that this project becomes a definitive reference point for future independent power transmission projects on the continent.